Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Today is day number 29. And it is also the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, layout number 5. You know, at the first of the month, I make my kit, put everything together. I usually have the video out on the 5th. This month I had some glitches, and so it was, the kit was published on the 6th. So if you are interested in seeing the kit in its entirety, look back on the video for this month and the 6th. There should be a Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit share video that you can find, or kit build video that you can find everything. Anywho, today's sketch is from Christy's Beautiful Life, and the designer is Jessica Finn Hill. It is a 2-photo sketch with photos in the landscape position. So, not landscape, portrait position, so vertical, right? So I found this in one of my little embellishment bowls, and I pulled it out because it has all the photos that I think, or all the colors that I want to bring into the layout. It's got red, yellow, green, and blue. And so I figured I would pull, I have the red and the blues. I have a darker blue and then a lighter blue. The darker blue only because my granddaughter is wearing dark blue in the layout or in the photo. And I have red and dark blue, and then the light blue, of course, is from in here. And I figure I could pull some yellow embellishments. And I have a bowl full with all the different colors of embellishments in here that match here. So I'm going to be pulling from these 2 bowls. I just don't know what yet. Then I have pulled in a multitude of things as far as embellishments go. Let me put that back up there so I can see it. I have pulled in sticker sheets. I have pulled in chipboard sheets. I've got those 2 that I've pulled in. I've got that one that I've pulled in. Here's another sticker sheet, and that's 2-sided. I've pulled in this red alphabet. I have pulled in these labels, these washi stickers. I have pulled in these rub-ons. I have pulled in these phrase stickers. I have pulled in these faux washi strips, and then I have pulled in this Dear Lizzie sticker book. So hopefully I can use something from each of those, right? Anywho, finishing touches, I have pulled in these puffy stars. I have the red color family and then the orange color family. These yellow flatback pearls, and then I have pulled in these enamel dots. If you will give me a second, I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back with what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 29, and let me show you what I did not use. I did not use the puffy stickers. I did not use the rub-ons, nor did I use these faux stickers from Snap. I did not use these label stickers or these alphabets. I really thought I was going to use those. Here is what I did use. These are the cutoffs from the scraps of paper that I added in. So those will go back into my stash to use another time. I used a piece of chipboard from here. I used a heart sticker from here. I used something from here. Oh, a yellow flower, and then I had 2 almost greenish color flowers that were on there. I did use a sticker from here, a round one. I used a color sticker from here that was green. Yeah, green. I did use a washi strip from here. It looked like that. And then I used a bunch of labels from here, or phrases from here. I know you can't tell if there's still so many. And I did use a couple stickers from here. And then finishing touches, I used enamel dots and these flat back pearls, and I used a couple of embellishments from here and some from in here. So everything that nearly everything that I pulled got used this go around. So here is the layout that I created. It is one for the albums. I'm loving the orientation of the photos and the background papers, the embellishments. Yeah, I did what little bit of journaling I was going to do. Right down here at the bottom, I put the where we were at and then the date. I spread those flat back pearls around the layout just to have them. I was going to put this snapshots up here at the top, but when I decided to make this beautiful family life, I moved this over here because I really wanted to use that little piece to pull everything together, in my mind anyway. There's that sticker from the Dear Lizzie collection. There's one of that chipboard sticker from the chipboard sheet with a enamel dot on top of it, and here's the other one. This is a piece of ephemera. This is a piece of ephemera from the Echo Park line, and then here are all the stickers down here that I put on. There's the heart. I even piled up some flowers right here. There's that little chipboard flower there with an enamel dot on it. So yeah, I like how this one turned out, and this one is headed for the album, y'all. Anywho, I appreciate you being here. If you want to see the other layouts in this series, check out the playlist called March 2023. Now for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge as well as the 30-day challenge, they're all going to be on the same playlist for March 2023. If you're interested in seeing the other layouts that I have made for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, they are going to be the last 7 layouts on my March 2023 playlist. If you want to see all of the 30 days of sketches or 31 days for sketches, check out my playlist called 30DS CBL 11, and I will have all the layouts that I have created on there. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.